pinapakilala sa inyo ang mga natatanging mag-aaral mula sa Galileo na nagkamit ng karangalan. Sean Clifford J. Ang with honors. Eric Benaventura with honors. Rian A. Caliora with honors. Simon Nicholson P. Coronel with honors. Mary Natalie P. Corpus with honors. Clark James U. Cruz with honors. Baltimore M. Dumalen with honors. Khalil Andy Evangelista with honors. Jared Samuel Reyes with honors. Prince Von A. Daho with honors. Cherise and Margaret R. Latorre with honors. Gavin Aiden M. Yanyo with honors. Maria Natalia Isabel C. Levita with honors. Dennis B. Macabulbul with honors. Gracie Quintay M. Masi with honors. John Jacob C. Mahonon with honors. Jasna Adeline H. Manlagin with honors. Miko M. Manzano with honors. Kyra Chanel V. Noveras with honors. Michael Joseph Coste with honors. Alter Rua S. Roque with honors. Ayon Javed D.S. Sales with honors. Angel Mestris Alison G. Senyoso with honors. Ivan Alexi V. Bukahaw with high honors. Siya po ay kasalukuyan ngayon na dumadako sa elimination round ng 2025 Math Challenge, 2025 Street FF NCR Math Challenge Elimination Round 3rd place, 2025 Street FF NCR Math Challenge Elimination Round 2nd place. Muli magbati po. Sunod, Jusine Elaya S.J. Camoro